Hello guys, today's my video of the mod box hookah. Today I'm going to be using the Escanderani apple flavor by Alfaker. Just wanted to show you guys the bowl. It's a silicone bowl, pretty cool. So it acts as a stem and a bowl. But if you want to use it on your normal hookah, you can just pop this thing out, put a little grommet in there, and pop it on your own traditional hookah. So I'm going to be packing this with that flavor, and then I'll be outside lighting it up, and I'll turn on the video once I get there. So guys, I'm outside now, smoking the mod, the box mod hookah. It hasn't started yet, so I'm going to talk about it a little bit while it's heating up. So as you can see, I'm using my Art Hookah hose because the hose that comes with it, it's absolutely garbage. So it's just this little piece of acrylics or glass, or I don't know what this is, but it's just a piece of shit, to be honest. They tried to bevel it, but it's not gonna work. It's gonna hurt you, so don't use this. It's pretty short as well, so it's just a tiny little silicone thing, so I don't really recommend using that, so don't. Get your own hose. Comes with basically everything you need. Tongs, if you watch my unboxing video, you'll see that, but it comes with the lighting too, which is pretty cool. It comes with that little heat management thing, and it comes with these two grommets, and you're supposed to put them over this lighting thing and then stick it up there, and this will secure it, but I don't recommend it. I did it once, and this thing is there tight, and it just doesn't come out. I had to use like a knife and a spoon and all that stuff to like fish it out. I don't recommend using the grommets. Just have that sit there. Yeah, if you shake it around, it's gonna move around, but you don't really need those grommets. My personal opinion. Get a new hose. But other than that, it's fine. Another thing that's subjective, that's a con, is because of the way the bowl is. It's an Egyptian bowl. You will get shisha and juices and stuff into the water, so it discolors the water. I don't really like it. I'm not a fan of it. The LEDs help because they change the color, but it obviously doesn't look that great. Usually like brownish or blackish water. You can fit ice in there, so I have ice, so that's pretty cool. The purge valve right here, that's pretty cool too. It kind of just like bursts open. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty good hookah. One downfall is that you can't really use another bowl in there because the bowl acts as a stem as well, and it creates like a tight seal. I haven't really found any bowls that I can put in there. Maybe another silicone, I don't know. But what I was thinking is that I can cut this bowl, like where the holes are, I can cut it and put another bowl inside of that, so that might work. But I wish they had like a vortex or harmony, tri-harmony bowl instead of this Egyptian. Other than that, it smokes pretty well. I haven't had any leakage. It doesn't leak. It's two separate compartments, as you can see. So smoke goes here, water's there, and the top is where the hole is. So that's how the smoke travels. So if you have it upside down, or if you tilt it this way a lot, the water will get into the smoke chamber and it will come into your hose. So be careful about that. But to kind of fix the shisha problem with the bowl, I put a little aluminum and I poked it like on the bottom, and I poked it with toothpicks, so the holes were tiny, shisha couldn't get through, but still juices, once it starts boiling, juices go down, change the color of the water. That's just subjective. I don't like it, but it's just the nature of it. But other than that, very good hookah. For 80 bucks, I wish they included a better hose, But again, 80 bucks in hookah is not that much, but given that it's all plastic, I mean, they say it's like relics, but seems kind of cheap, the build, but for that price, you can't really beat it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, thumbs up, and comment. I will answer all the comments that you post, and have a nice day, guys.